Hey everybody, it's Phoenix Down and welcome back to another gameplay of Left 4 Dead 2. So we're on the Hard Rain campaign. I got some mods on since it's Easter. We got an Easter Bunny tank, and an Easter egg boomer, and I think a carrot Molotov. So let's see how that fucking looks. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting so many fucking zombies in here. So I actually got on a few new mods. I think one of them is called either Smart Bots or Survivor-like bots. And that's the bots use melee weapons. So hopefully we'll do fucking better. I don't know about throwables though. I don't know if they use throwables.
Boomer bio here.
So we're gonna move as fast as fucking possible. Because the zombies spawn crazy as fuck on this fucking campaign. So let's just get the fuck out of here. Yep. There's a... Oh my gosh, there's an Easter Bunny! It's the fucking tank! Oh my gosh, he's big as fuck! Oh shit! Why the fuck do we have a tank already? They really wanted to showcase this fucking mod! Oh my gosh! How is this fucking fair? Oh, that bitch just... Hell no! Hell no! I was supposed to have a Peter Cottontail theme. Excuse me, where's my theme? Oh my gosh. Michelle, run!
Reloading.
Shit. We already lost, coach. Please. Okay. We can at least say yes, we can at least save Ellis.
Got it.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, you look fine.
Okay, hold on a second.
Don't worry, let's just get you up.
Yeah, let's all bounce. We need to save some supplies, some supplies for the next trip. I'll say, bitch.
Gonna heal.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Come on, y'all. I need to get out of here.
Oh, coach is back. Well, I'm gonna take his health kit anyways. Yeah, save him, Ellis, and I'm about to bounce. But it's good we already had a fucking tank. So that's the upside. Fuck this shit. Melee weapons all day. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit.
Reloading.
Bitch. Okay. I'll go ahead and take care of that thing. Oh, incoming attack, of fucking course. Should I throw this bile jar? I really do not want to die. Yep, see, there's our... Oh shit, there's our boomer with a fucking Easter egg. Like how it like spilled, it like cracked open when he died. Alright, yeah, let's... Ooh. Bitch, fuck you. Damn it. Fuck y'all. Oh, hell nah, bitch. Really? Wow, she did how much damage to me? Oh, my bad, Ellis. Alright, yeah, let's throw this. Let's throw that real quick. Let's pick up Ellis. I probably should have healed myself first. This makes no fucking sense. We just left this fucking safe house. Yeah, I'm about to heal real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, here we go. Like we got construction worker, uncommon infected. Yeah, we getting our asses whooped. Good thing there's no horde starter in this fucking level.
Reloading.
So I fuck with the hunting rifle in the beginning because it's fucking automatic. These motherfuckers need to have my back.
Reloading.
I just feel like it's better than the first shotgun. Got her to clang. Is someone using a melee weapon? Ellis is. All the way back there though. Y'all need to catch the fuck up. Bitch. Alright. Alright, we need to move. We need to move. I know there's a zombie to my right. Zombie, yep. Fuck. Bitch. Alright, yeah, let me grab one of the adrenaline shots. Bitch. Wow, how did I miss him? I need to reload real quick. Where? Fuck you. Damn! Oh, that's a combat shotgun. Where the fuck y'all get that shit at? Fuck out of here. Bitch, fuck off him. Fuck out of here. Yeah, we moving. We on the move. 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 What do you got? Fucking, I'll take this combat shotgun. I mean, it's tactical. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta move. Gotta move. Gotta move. Hope everyone's having a fantastic Easter. I don't celebrate Easter, but what the fuck ever. This is about all I'm doing is an Easter Bunny tank and a fucking Easter egg boomer. Ooh, shit, my bad, Ellis. At least I didn't fuck you up, for real. Ellis is kind of killing it, though, because he's fucking using a melee weapon. I see you, Ellis. I probably should be checking these houses for supplies. But fuck it, I'll save this for the second trip back, because there's gonna be so much water, I'm gonna have to go through these houses, or at least through the roof, on the rooftops. Oh, time to go! Time to go! Time to go! Time to go! Fuck you! Fuck you! Go! Shit!
Hey, get in here!
Come on! What the? Oh, it's the
Molotov.
It's the Molotov! Oh shit! He ain't gonna make it. Yeah, he ain't gonna make it. I fucking knew it. Bitch, fuck out of here. Fuck! Oh, fucking Charger! Them up, fucking almost. How was I almost healing Rochelle? Rochelle, what the fuck are you doing in here? Oh, she ain't trying to go out there. I don't fucking blame her. But we gotta save everybody.
Get up, get up.
I'm gonna try my best to help them since this mod is on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I see that smoker. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Don't make me come out there for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna take pills instead. And this boomer, this bile jar.
I'm starting to like you guys.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. We're not doing too good already. The next level, we're gonna have to get into these these resupply med kits. So these are the only supplies we have left coming back, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna take this last health kit. Yeah, so we have no health kits coming back. We are probably fucked. I'm gonna stick with the tactical shotgun, and let's move. We made some great progress. Last level, we was moving pretty quickly, so let's just keep that up.
The road's blocked.
Yep, a lot of fucking zombies. You guys, come on, man. Are you serious? Are you serious? I swung at that zombie and still got fucked. Ellis, what are you doing? You guys got a melee weapon on me. Fuck it. If this is how we doing it, let's fucking move. Let's fucking move. I fucking hate this crowbar. What's up, bitch?
In here.
So what's up, bitch? Man, get the fuck out of here, man.
Grabbing pills.
This way.
Oh my gosh. I wish somebody would run out of the fucking bushes. Bitch, sit your ass down. Incoming attack. Isn't that fucking fantastic? If y'all was smart, if y'all was all smart, where's Ellis at? I guess Ellis isn't smart. Yep, Ellis is just moving forward, I see. Yep, he probably got pounced on by the hunter too. Nope, never mind. Oh, but he get fucked up. Fuck off me. Bitch. Bitch. How the fuck did I miss him? I'm not at all surprised that you went down, Ellis. I'm not at all surprised. Bitch, fuck you. Fuck you.
That long neck bitch hit me.
Coach, man. Coach cracking you.
Reloading.
Reloading.
What the fuck we got
Pills
in here?
here.
Pills? Oh, yeah, this is the... Fuck, there's gonna be witches everywhere. Fuck. Oh, there's gonna be witches everywhere, y'all. Ooh, Ellis almost rocked your shit, man. Almost rocked Ellis shit. Bitch. Who else? What's a who? I dare you. Please don't let there be a tank this level. Please don't let there be a tank this level. Or bunny. I think I prefer the Easter bunny than the actual tank model. Oh goodness. That bitch. Coach, please. Coach, please. Coach, please. That bitch is getting mad. Oh, well, that's it, Coach. Michelle. Oh, she's dead. Yeah, there's nothing we can do to save her. No, I'm not fucking with that bitch. I ain't fucking with that bitch, man. We need to keep fucking moving. Fuck that. That bitch is dead. And there's gonna be plenty more of them motherfuckers. Okay, there's an adrenaline shot in here and pills. Y'all need to take this shit.
Pills
Please
here.
take this shit.
Grabbing a shot.
Alright, Ellis, these pills is yours. Ellis, are you fucking serious? Nope. These pills are mine, bitch.
Pills
What are
here.
these? More pills?
A little pillow.
That's mine. Bitch, I was gonna drop. Yeah, boss, I heard you, bitch. You ain't slick. Oh, shit! Oh, shit. Yeah, we're gonna die, most likely. Because everybody keeps fucking startling the witches. Yeah, we do gotta pull our shit together. This shit don't make no fucking sense. They're gonna startle witches throughout this whole fucking throughout this whole level. Yeah, what the fuck was that, sir? Come the fuck on, man. I don't care how big you are, how thick you are, you're not taking shotgun shells, man. You're not gonna keep running at me if I'm putting shotgun shells in. You got that shit right, coach. You ain't down here. Do not save her yet. We need Ellis to spawn in first. Don't save her, coach. No. Please don't save her. Coach, you're just gonna die trying to save this bitch. Please.
Hey, I need some help over here.
Well, I guess we got next. Oh, that bitch is not happy. Fuck off her. Let me throw that shit. This is some weird ass music. What's up, bitch? I threw that bow jar. What the fuck are you running at me? Oh, he died? He fucking died? Oh, I wonder if we stay here, will they respawn? Let's see. Let's see if they respawn. Where the fuck? Never mind. Let's spawn somewhere else. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Rochelle. There's an Easter egg around here somewhere. Damn it, Rochelle. Oh, well, I found the Easter egg. I found the Easter egg. Bitch. 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 Fuck off me. I need to get to Ellis. Yeah, bitch. Come on, Ellis. Help, 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 help. Fuck yeah. I wanted this fucking fuck this spinner bitch. She doesn't even have to get close to you before she starts hurting you. Alright, Ellis saved Rochelle. I'm fine with that. That's okay. That's okay. That is fine. I still got a health kit.
It's fine. Let me just get you up.
Yeah, get my ass up.
Thanks.
Alright, let me close this shit because the computer are like doing their own thing with this mod, which I don't really mind, but at the same time they're still not that smart. And it's worrying me. It's really worrying me. Fucking die. I need supplies. Fuck, really? Really? Bitch? Fuck. Yeah, oh shit! Oh shit, we're between. Yeah, I'm not fucking with her, man. Whoa, 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 that's what you. Well, that's it. Yep. I don't know what else to do. Maybe we should just run faster because they're just gonna keep startling the witches. So Ellis is dead. No big surprise there, but yeah. We're not doing too bad this time. I still got a health kit. Fuck out of here. And there's Ellis. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Incoming attack. Yeah, we all need to get in here. Ooh, the fib unit.
Reloading.
Oh, please, please, please. They don't stick with me. They don't stick with me no more. I kind of feel like that is the like downside of this mod. They kind of do their own thing, and they're not really good at doing that. Well, all three down, and there's a smoker around. So I'm gonna walk my ass in here,
Weapons over here.
and I'm gonna try to protect her from in here. Fuck out of here. I'm gonna heal. I'm gonna grab a defib unit, and then ooh, there's an Easter egg somewhere close.
Let's go. On your feet. Let's go.
I don't see him.
Time to move. Let's
Come on.
go.
Yeah, y'all, we're not doing too bad, but we're still quite a ways from the safe house. There it is! There's that damn egg! I love how, like, I can see them so much clearer. What is that, pills? Well, I would get those, but I'm not the one in need of them, so fuck these guys. I probably should just gave someone this adrenaline shot, to be honest. I don't know, but let's just get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Well, man, get the fuck off of me. I heard a witch. No! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my health. My health. How? How? Oh my goodness. Alright, we're throwing a pipe bomb. I mean, Bowser over here. I don't want to hit a witch. Help him up. Oh, someone helping him up? Alright, come on, let's go. What is that? Is that a jockey? How many shotgun shells does it take to kill one of these motherfuckers? You can't tell me I was missing. There's probably some health in this bitch. Come on. Tank growls. Oh, that's lovely. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. At least I can bring one of them back. All right, let's go to work here. Let's go to work here.
We don't have time for this. Get up.
I didn't mean to do all that. I wish I would jump down here. Bitch, you damn. All right, I'm not moving any forward until they spawn. Oh, they're not gonna spawn in here, are they? No, they can. I think they'll spawn in there. Oh no, I can save one person.
Fire spit coming.
You'll be fucking kidding me.
I need some help.
You'll be fucking kidding me with this. Fucking infected.
Work, damn it.
Get your dumb ass up, Ellis.
Whoa, man.
Alright, we're gonna wait for Rochelle to come back. We're gonna need everybody for this damn tank. And even then, I'm not sure if we're gonna fucking make this shit. Alright, there she
Hey, I
is.
need some help over here.
Is there any supplies in here? No. Where the fuck are you going, Coach? Oh, where's this damn Easter Bunny? Alright, there he is. Time to go. There he is. Time to go. There he is. Time to go. Go, go, go. Back it the fuck up.
Watch out.
Oh! Shit! There's that fucking hunter. Run, Rochelle. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hunter killed Coach. I'm guessing you incapacitated me. Tank dead? We did this shit? Are you serious? How the fuck? How the fuck did we? I thought we was gonna die. Oh yeah, this ain't looking too good though.
Thanks.
We gotta start this elevator for this horde.
I can't believe I'm looking forward to getting back on that boat.
Oh my goodness, this isn't. We're probably gonna die. We made it further. I have nothing to say about that. Besides that comment and that comment following that.
Reload.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Well.
Can't do this on my own. Give me some help.
Hey, Ellis, you wanna help me, buddy? Just because I want to say it. What do you mean? Bitch. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's that fucking smoker. Yeah, we're most likely gonna die. Bitch, hell no. Bitch, fuck you. Fuck you. Please just be like pain pills or something in this bitch. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I don't know why you didn't die. There's no like type of pain pills. There's no type of bile jars. We're just gonna die in this bitch. Where the fuck is Coach at? They got down there!
Never had no call to ask for help before.
They got down there! Oh, they're stuck in there.
Ellis.
Yeah. Alright, so we're most likely gonna die. I'm just gonna start this. We're gonna die. I'm gonna try something crazy as fuck here, though. Fuck off, you bitch. Bitch. Okay, what the fuck is happening? Rochelle, what are you doing?
Alice, I'm surprised you lasted as long as you did.
I don't know where this door is at. Let's just try it. Rochelle, man. I was hoping to blow a door open. Maybe that would free him.
Let's get you back.
Alright, well, this is it.
Thanks.
Reloading.
Let's die, Rochelle. Let's die together. Girl, you probably want to get over here.
Check it out. They're coming.
Girl, you probably want to get over here. Stay your ass over here. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh, I tried to shoot that bitch. I tried to shoot that bitch, man. Whoa! I don't know if I got that on her. I don't know if I got that on her. I can't see shit. Oh, we're dead. Yep, that's it. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, we did better. So after like 1,000 tries, we're finally back here. So here we go. Try to get raw here. Fucking Charger's dead. Fuck him. Fuck him. Yeah, bring your ass on over here, dumb bitch. Come on. Exactly. We might be able to make this one. But health still isn't looking too good. Oh my gosh, Ellis. Fuck you. Alright, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep fighting. Fight to the last breath here. Bitch. No one survives forever anyway. Now fuck Ellis. Can't get my pain pills. I got you, L. I got you, L. Ooh, you lucky bitch. Ooh, you lucky bitch. She's so lucky it fucking lags, man. Oh my gosh, fuck that spitter. Oh, Ellis is dead.
Get him.
Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Come on. Bitch.
We don't have time for this. Get
That
out.
smoker's still alive. I see his ass. I see his ass. Come on, pick Rochelle up. Pick Rochelle up. Fuck out of here. Bitch.
Oh, shit. Come on, come on, come on.
You were lucky as fuck, coach.
Reloading.
Not so much of Ellis. Everybody get the
This
fucking
is
Ellis.
not how it's gonna end.
This mod, they do fight. Everyone is ready. Who's not ready? They do fight better, but they're still stupid as shit. They're very. I don't think there's gonna be ever a fix for that. They're just really not smart. All right. How the? What the? What the? How did? How did he catch Coach? How did he catch Coach? What is happening? I'm so confused. I'm happy I got that on camera though, but I'm so confused. What is happening? I'm gonna take this defib unit. Oh, there's a fucking witch in this bitch. Here's the jockey.
Get it off, boys. I'm down.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
I need some help.
You're starting to learn.
We need to go.
Go down again, and that's it.
Oh my gosh, Coach, come on.
You're messed up. If you don't put your smoke.
Oh my god.
Keep moving.
I'm Ghost.
Coach.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me. Alright, let me help Coach real quick. We'll probably die. But we need all the help we can get. Me and Rochelle probably ain't gonna make it alone. Fuck out of here.
Come on.
Ah, bitch, come on. Bitch. Oh, we gotta go. I wanna throw this pipe bomb, but I have no clue where this witch is at. Oh, there's multiple witches in this bitch. Oh, please don't be a horde. I can see the gas station, come on. Oh, I'm at 1%. Oh, I'm at 1%, come on. It's right fucking there. Alright. No! Oh, shit! Okay. Come on, hurry up before that. Oh my gosh. Alright, good. Wait, Coach, don't leave me. Coach, don't leave me. Coach, wait! You stupid bitch, wait! Oh my gosh!
Reloading.
Oh my gosh.
At least I made it.
At least I made it. I feel the same fucking way. Okay, we don't have health. We don't have health for this shit. We really do not have health for this shit.
Okay,
Alright,
everybody gassed up and good to go.
let's do this shit.
Let's head back to the boat.
Let's do this shit. No, the
Grabbing
fucking
a
adrenaline
shot.
shot. Alright, what do we got here? I'm gonna go with the tactical. Alright, that's all we got. We got 2 health kits and a defib unit. I'm pretty sure there was not this many zombies here last time.
Reloading.
Like I said, we're on a move today. We're on a move today. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't hear no witch. Get the fuck out of here.
Watch out!
What the fuck is this?
Back to
Okay.
the field.
Alright, let's go. Find that pipe. Like, I fucking hear zombies, but I don't see anyone. There's too much shit in the way. Alright. Okay, I think that was a spitter, charger. Where y'all at? Fuck off.
It's not funny anymore.
It's not funny anymore. When was it ever funny to
take
shoot
the
me with
elevator
Ellis?
back up.
Is there any supplies in this bitch? There is, but fuck it, fuck it. Alright, this is gonna cause another horde. Come on, Rochelle. Come on, girl. Here we go. Horde? I know there's gonna be a horde. Probably gonna wait. Bitch is right there. She's gonna stand right in front of the elevator, too. Bitch. Fuck you. Damn. Where's her fucking shit at?
Nice shooting.
No horde this time. So what caused the horde last time?
Reload.
Left 4 Dead logic. Ooh, there's a zombie behind me. I hear your ass, bitch. Alright, let's stay up on high ground here. Ooh, I'm about to say, I hear his ass. Where'd he go? Coach, what the fuck are they doing?
We can cross over that tank.
That's the way I'm taking. I'm not going through that fucking water. I'm not going through that water. What the hell is it? Ellis, why are you all the way back there? Oh my gosh.
Come on, this way.
Oh my gosh. At least we beat the last level. We're making fucking progress, man. That's the only way you can really look at this shit.
Down here.
You're too far for anyone to watch your back. I'm gonna keep moving. Hopefully they'll catch up. Oh, that bitch is close.
Stay away from the witch.
Ooh, that bitch is close. Hi. Tank growls. Oh, that's never a fun sign.
Guns here.
Go with the machine gun. Cause I'll run out of ammo for the tactical. I'd rather wait till Ellis gets here. Oh, I'd rather wait for Ellis to get here so we're all here. And you dumbass, man. Oh, here's a horde. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ellis, catch up. Let me pull out the shotty again. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this shit's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, this shit is ridiculous. Is that it? Bitch. Fuck y'all. Are we good? Like, Ellis got a melee weapon, so he can't help but like go around and kill every single zombie on the map. He's gonna die. Okay, there's a boomer somewhere. Let's see. No, I hear a smoker too. Yep, there's a smoker. You gotta be kidding. Okay, I'm about to say, you gotta be kidding me. I know I was tagging his ass. Yeah, where's that boomer?
We can get across the water here.
Where's this bitch at? Where's this fucking tank, man? There's the boomer, got his ass. Alright, well. Yo, Ghost is serious, let's do it then.
Reloading.
I still don't know where the tank is at. Well, there he is! Alright, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Fuck that. We're in water, this bitch is faster than us. Where's he at? Oh, this bitch is climbing. Oh my gosh! Get that? I don't have like a. Oh my goodness! That bitch is moving. Oh, I'm stuck. Come on, man. They can handle that tank. Fuck that shit. Bitch. Michelle, why are you guys running towards him?
Miracle didn't last this long. Let's get you on your feet.
Alright, come on. Please have a health kit, Rochelle.
Okay.
Yes, alright, good. Heal your shit. Heal your shit, girl. Come on, I got you. Oh, is this a horde? This is a horde. Alright, here we go. They don't call the campaign hard rate for nothing. Everybody stick together. Let's move. I kind of fuck with them though now. They kind of fighting now. Is there any guns? No, not guns I don't want. Come on, go. Here they come in the attack. Here we go. Why the fuck are you guys down there for? Oh my goodness. At this other safe house, we do have another boomabile, so I might throw this shit. But we're really close to this fucking safe house. We're really close to the safe house. We can do this. We can fucking do this shit. Get your ass here. Damn it, Rochelle.
Reloading.
Fuck. Come on. Oh, fuck. I didn't mean to shoot him. Bitch. What y'all got on me? Come on. Come on, what's up? Alright, we almost did the safe house.
Reloading.
We got this. We got this. All of us can make this. All of us can make this. We're almost there.
I'm reloading.
We'll probably get here before another fucking horde starts. Which would be fucking fantastic. And then we have one more level after this, and then it's the finale.
This is slow going.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay,
That one hurt.
I'm really hurt.
Yeah. We're almost there. Safe house is legit just in here. We did not do bad. Was this the first try? I think this is the first try. Oh, fuck. He's in here. They're gonna be in here, aren't they? Really?
Quit screwing around. Let's get
Why
inside.
the fuck? Coach, how the fuck did you fall so far behind?
This is not going well.
Oh, shit. Coach, really?
I can't see it, damn. Fight him
Fuck
off
it.
themselves.
Fuck it. Come on, coach. That's all I can do for him.
Run in here.
That's all I'm willing to do for him. There's no health kits,
Get
right?
inside.
Ooh, there is. Ooh, there is health kits.
Grab and puke.
Y'all,
There's fucking health kits. Yeah, alright.
You should have stayed at home.
I probably should let them have the health kits done. I should probably just take the fib unit. Coach, get your dumb ass in here.
Take that, you mealy
Alright.
bastard.
One more level, and then we got the finale. We're not doing too bad. We're making actually really good progress. Alright, so I should probably heal Ellis's dumbass with this shit. And we're just gonna take the defib unit and make it to this next safe house as fast as fucking possible. Where's that defib unit?
Got some
Alright,
chest paddles.
let's do this shit, y'all.
Goddamn town's flooded.
Is there anything else I got? Or is that it?
Grab and
I think
puke.
that was it. No, I got one more bite bomb.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Yeah, Ellis is already on the move.
Grab
Ellis
that
ain't waiting for
bomb.
nobody. Let's go. I kind of like that they don't wait for me, but at the same time, I don't like that because they don't make the best, choices. We ghost, and they're just gonna have to catch up. They're just gonna have to catch up. Come on.
Reloading.
There's a ladder right here. Let's jump in this bitch. Yep. I hope y'all staying on the ladders. I mean, on the rooftops. Oh. Damn. Good thing he didn't take him, because that'd have been hard to get his ass. Y'all better pick him up.
Shit, just get up.
We gotta go.
I remember
Best-
the porch light.
Yeah, we just gotta stay out of this water, man. I think we gotta go through it for this part. We're probably gonna have a horde. Or a tank! Even worse! Oh shit! Okay, we gotta go back and be on these rooftops. Because we're not gonna be able to fight that tank like this.
We're going the right way.
Yeah, come on, get up. Ish. Really, bitch? Really, bitch? Fuck it. Bitch! Alright, we got a horde. So let's throw that shit on the tank. Fuck you. Yes. Alright. We can do this shit. We have the technology. Fuck you. Alright, let's move, let's move. There's a boomer around here somewhere. Oh shit! Is he in here? Is he out here? Oh, there's like they're still coming. Oh my goodness. Fuck it. Oh shit. Oh, he's close. Got fresh shooting through this house. Damn. Good shit, Ellis. Good shit, Ellis. I see you, Ellis. Yeah, where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Oh, damn it. He's hiding. He's doing a good job at fucking hiding. I got 27 shots left. I think we'll be good. Well, 37. Come on.
Reload.
Bitch. Smoker alert. There he is. There he is. There he is. Let's see his ass. Nah, I was hoping you would say smoker, not coach, but okay. Anything in these houses? Fuck
Grab a
yeah.
bile jar.
Let's get rid of this boomer first. If we can. Fuck, I'll just keep the bile jar. Pipe bomb. Something, ammo. I'm gonna take this ammo.
Frag rounds.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Got
That's
a
great.
deep unit.
Oh yeah. Good shit, girl. Let's throw this
Puke
shit
in the hole.
all the way down there. Grab this other bile jar.
Is
Gotta
that a
move
bottle
on.
of puke?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, there's a pipe bomb in here. I'm about to get that shit. See what that shit is. Yo, fuck it. Just throw it over there. Where's that bile jar? Fuck. I hate that they roll and I can't see shit. Okay, good. There it is. I need that bile jar. Oh, I jumped down at the wrong time. Yes, I did. Really? Okay. I hate that they circle around you like that. Fuck that bitch. Oh, I hear that fucking jockey. Oh yeah, coach is gonna have to die before the next level starts because I'm not gonna let him take a health kit. There his ass is. My bad, Rochelle. Okay, we're almost there.
Reloading.
We got a witch. They throwing everything at us. They is not trying to let have us make it. And we lightweight the squad right now.
Pills here.
Here, y'all can take this adrenaline shot.
Just take it.
I'm gonna take this fucking.
Pills.
Yeah, I'm gonna take these pills. Fuck that.
They ain't ready to lay down yet.
All right, the safe house. Ooh, it's just over here. Ooh, come on.
Watch out, that
Fuck you. Safe house is just over here. Who the fuck? What the hell, Rochelle? She's so fucking stupid. Oh, she's dead. Yeah, fuck that. Come on. Oh, somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Are you serious?
The bitch is choking me.
I'm down.
You guys, that was okay. From the top. Alright, so Rochelle's dead, but we're past where we were, so, or at least we're at where we was at, so.
Grabbing puke.
Oh fuck, we just had a tank. The tank just killed Rochelle and Coach, but I had the defib unit, so I was able to bring Coach back and Rochelle's back. You guys save her for me? Can you guys do that for me? So go do your thing, Ellis.
Anybody?
Everybody.
Fire spit coming.
Fuck this bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck you.
Reloading.
Fuck you. Who else? Bitch, fuck you. Bitch. Yeah, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Fuck you. Ah, shit. Alright, we got another pipe off me bile jar in here. I should probably just throw this, to be honest. I really don't want to die. Yeah, I really don't want to die. Let's throw that shit. That was bullshit. I saw that. I saw you spawn, bitch. Fuck out of here. Just do a fucking bile jar. Why am I getting hit? Fuck you. That's all. Spitter. I'm about to fuck her shit up. Okay. Okay. Oh, let me get those pills.
You can always use
As a matter of
these.
fact, you're gonna take that, aren't you? Fuck you, I'm taking that, bitch. Hell no. And those pills are mine. Did I not take the shot? Did I not take the shot? Please stop. It just takes so long. Okay. Bitch. Bitch. Alright, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
The playground. We're almost there.
Oh, yeah. It's right there.
8 paths ahead.
Alright, come on.
Reloading.
Alright, we made it. We fucking made it. So,
Quit screwing around.
there should be some
Get
health in here. I'm
inside.
actually heal because I think
heal.
we still have some health packs
Don't make
at
me
the
come out there
finale.
for you.
All right, now I'm back.
Come on, Ellis.
Take
All right.
that, you mealy-mouthed bastard.
Because of the mod I put in for these smart bots, I'm gonna say that this is probably the least frustrating campaign I've played in a while, and that's a plus. But they still act really stupid. I'm not sure they'll survive this finale, but we'll see.
Virgil might see.
Fair
Alright,
enough.
sounds like a plan.
All right.
First aid here.
Yeah, come get this first aid. Somebody come get this first aid, please.
First aid kit here.
Yep, this is how this is gonna turn out. No one's gonna grab this? I really wanna take this defib unit.
First aid.
What if I walk towards the door? What if I walk out the door? Will you guys take it? Nope, no one's really gonna take this first aid. Okay, well, I'll take it, I guess. Guess I'll take that first aid. Ellis, why did you take your adrenaline shot? Oh my goodness. Coach? I almost thought coach shit. Bitch. Oh, he got fucked up anyways. Fuck out of here.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, this... Bitch! This is about to be interesting. We're gonna fight on the rooftops here.
And the zombie beat my
Hopefully.
ass.
I don't know how this is gonna turn out, man. I do not know how this is gonna turn out. Okay, we got 4 health kits still. Coach needs to heal and take
Grab
one.
and puke.
And I need a better gun than the gun I have, to be 100% honest. I need a better gun than the gun I have. Not that the tactical shotgun is bad. I love the tactical shotgun, but I need something that will fuck up some zombies from a distance. Maybe I'll take the SPT-40 or the hunting rifle. You gotta be kidding me, really? We can have a storm here?
Shit. Gotta
Ammo
beat my
here.
ass.
Please don't be zombies. Please really don't be zombies.
All good now.
I'm throwing a pipe bomb. Alright, was it just
I can't see a damn
was it
thing.
just for sure? For show?
Grabbing a bile jar.
Hope it's just for show. Because this is serious as fuck out here. Alright, let's get everybody up here. Let's start this damn finale. Will they follow me? I hope they stay up here. I really do hope they stay up here. Cause they got some bang.
Fast food is gonna save us.
Alright, you still got that? Yeah, you still got that melee weapon. Let's go, Ellis. Let's do this shit. It's me and you. Oh shit.
They're coming.
I seen that bitch. I seen that bitch, man. I lost him though. Ooh. Fuck off, her. Throw one of these pipe bombs.
Grabbing a bile jar.
Reload.
Bitch! Oh shit!
Shit on you.
Alright, come on. I'm with the ladder, Nick. Alright, we gotta watch out for smokers.
Reloading.
Bitch. 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 We're gonna beat this shit, man.
Reloading.
We're gonna beat this shit. I'm gonna fuck. Is that it?
I'm reloading.
Shit, I was like in game mode. I was hunting these motherfuckers down. Alright, I guess that's him. I know I said I was gonna get that hunting rifle, but I don't want to go down there just yet. Let's slide his ass up. Whoa! Whoa! Shit! Whoa! Shit! Oh my gosh! This bitch knocked the car all the way up here. All right, we did really good, I guess. We did really good because he's dead. I did not see him climb up that though. Drop his shit. Now find that fucking boomer. Good shit. Good shit, Ellis. Alright, they're getting some more ammo. I'm gonna throw this pipe bomb.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Come on, get back. Everybody get back up here. Why y'all ignoring this pipe bomb? Come on, Rochelle. Get up here. Good shit. Alright, come on. I haven't seen a smoker. I've not seen a smoker. Bitch. Bitch. Fuck out of here. Hell no. What y'all got on me? Ooh, shit. Whoever had my back. Good shit. I feel like this is really easy. I have been playing with the mod for like, it's called like Super Horde. There's like 250 zombies per wave. So I've gotten better at fighting these zombies. It's mostly just the fucking special effects that still give me. I fucking hate the special effects. Oh, I'm about to. Oh, yeah, good. I was gonna fuck this shit up. Alright. I probably should get this hunting rifle. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get back up here, get back up here, get back up here. Come on. Alright, come on, get up here. Of course, I put the Molotov carrot on when there's hardly any Molotov in this fucking. Are you serious? Shoot it! You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Ooh, okay, I wasn't sure if he was gonna hit me or not. What the fuck? This motherfucker climbed up the whole burger sign. Bam! Fuck you. Good, good, we fucking did this shit. We fucking did this shit. I should probably go. We're gonna wait. First try. First fucking try. Let's do this shit. Alright. Waiting for the rescue to say it's here.
One of those little jockey bastards.
Ooh, we got somebody. Damn. Somebody help him up. We out. We ghost, y'all. We ghost, y'all. We out 5,000. Let's go. Bitch, hell no. Are we all gonna make this shit? Are we all about to make this shit? Oh, there's that tank with that bunny. Here comes Peter Cottontail.
Everyone to the boat.
Coach, get your dumb ass over here. We're all gonna die if you don't hurry the fuck up. Oh, well, we did it. You know, me and Rochelle, the only people that made it. Oh my goodness. All right, well that's that. Yep, in memory of Ellis and Coach. So overall for the smart bot mod, I don't think it was that bad. I think they were improved. Only thing I would say is I hate that they ran out on their own because they're still stupid as shit, so they kept dying. But I mean, we only restarted 5 times compared to the other campaigns I've done recently, like 10 to 15. That's not that bad. Anyways, I'm in the gameplay here. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys are having a happy Easter or Ishtar, whatever you want to fucking call it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.